Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make DentalSegmentator or any AI segmentation extension in 3D Slicer 5.8 to work with the newest NVIDIA RTX 5000 series. So now let me just open a sample CBCT from 3D Slicer. I'm just going to delete that. We need one only. And then I'm now going to the DentalSegmentator. Now, as you can see, I will just press on apply and I will show you the tasks manager to show you I'm using NVIDIA RTX 5070. Let's just wait a little bit until the error pops up. And now, as you can see in the background, the segmentation has failed. The reason for this is because the pytorch in the 3D Slicer 5.8 is still not compatible with the latest RTX 5000 series. So what we are going to do, we are going to search for the pytorch utilities, as you can see here. And here is the version, the latest version for 3D Slicer, which is CU 126. Now I'm going to uninstall the pytorch, and then we are going to restart 3D Slicer to finalize the removal of old pytorch. So I'm just waiting until the installation is complete, and then I'm going to press on restart application. So the solution for this problem is to force 3D Slicer to install the latest pytorch version to make it compatible with the latest RTX 5000 series. So I asked ChatGPT and it gave me a Python script to paste inside the Python console inside 3D Slicer. To access this Python console, I'm going to press on View and then Python console. And then now I'm going to paste the Python script that the ChatGPT had provided me. And what the Python script will do, it will install the latest and the most updated PyTorch that will be compatible with the latest graphics card. So you have to wait a little bit until it will download and install the latest PyTorch. And then we are going to restart 3D Slicer again. Now it has finished installation of the new version. As you can see, here are the details of the new version, which is CU 128. You will see that it's not up to date, so that's why we have to restart 3D Slicer. Now I will go back to PyTorch utilities to make sure that it has been installed successfully. So I will go back to PyTorch utilities by pressing on this icon and then type PyTorch and then click on it. Now we will see that it has been updated to the newest version, which is the CU 128. Now we will go back to DentalSegmentator, and first we have to get the sample data or any DICOM file. So I'm going to the sample data again. I will going to use the same sample data we have used in the beginning of the video. I'll just delete this one, and then we will go back to DentalSegmentator, press on apply, and then I'm going to show you that the performance of the new RTX 5070 graphics card. So now we have to wait a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit faster, and it will finish the segmentation, not like before, which has failed and didn't do the segmentation. And now, as you can see, the dental segmentator has finished the segmentation successfully. And this is due to the updated PyTorch. I hope you liked this video and thank you for watching. And I hope it really helped you using any AI segmentation extension in 3D Slicer. See you in another video.